Hello students, this is session number 69. Topic is Z transform. One more important problem is there. Cos n theta, to find Z transform of cos n theta and sin n theta, which is appeared in July 2020 for 7 marks. So very simple question to solve this. Obtain the Z transform of cos n theta and sin theta. We know that e raised to I n theta is equals to cos n theta plus I sin theta. This imaginary and real part we studied. What is that? E raised to I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. So actual formula it is e raised to I theta is equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. So here n is there in place of, so e raised to I n theta. So it is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. So you can write like this. So we can write e raised to I n theta, e raised to I theta into n. So it is same. I raised to n theta is equals to k raised to n, where k is equal to e raised to I theta. So take k raised to n we required, because we have formula Z transform of k raised to n. That's why we have to take k here. A n is also take n outside. Then you write whatever the value of k. So we have Z transform of k raised to n here. Z transform of k raised to n is equals to z upon z minus k. This is capital Z, this is small z, this is also small z minus k, where k is e raised to I theta. So therefore Z transform of e raised to I n theta, that is kn, nothing here, k raised to n means e raised to I n theta, is equals to z upon z minus k. What is the value of k is, you know this, e raised to I theta. So e raised to I theta. Now z into, so multiply and divided by z minus e raised to, here I theta is there, multiply by minus I theta, conjugate z minus e raised to minus I theta divided by z minus e raised to minus I theta, and this is already present, z minus e raised to I theta. So it becomes z into z minus, same it is z, here bracket change, so it is z minus, so e raised to minus I theta is nothing but cos theta minus I sin theta. So earlier it is I told, so cos theta minus I sin theta, nothing but e raised to minus I theta divided by z into z square, next z common, minus z e raised to minus I theta, this plus into minus it. Next again this z into this z, so minus e raised to I theta and minus z, it is there, plus 1. So e raised to minus I theta into e raised to I theta. I will write in pencil here. What is that? E raised to I theta into this one. So minus into minus plus, minus e raised to I theta, e raised to minus I theta, and again minus e raised to I theta. So is equals to minus into minus plus e raised to minus I theta, in here plus I theta. So e raised to, get cancel, minus plus 0 same is equals to 1. You are getting like this. So it is e raised to 0 is 1 you are going to get. So z minus cos theta, here minus into minus plus I sin theta, bracket open. Here no need to write bracket, cos theta plus I sin theta. So divided by z square minus z 2 cos theta plus 1. Again z is common, z minus cos theta plus I sin theta divided by z square minus, so it is 2z cos 2 into z is 2z cos theta plus 1 as it is. Next z transform, take z transform both, z transform of this one. We proceed from e raised to I n theta. It is cos n theta plus I sin theta. E raised to I n theta means cos n theta plus I n sin theta is equals to z into z minus cos theta plus I sin theta divided by this term. Next z transform of cos n theta plus I, z transform of this splitted, z transform this and z transform this, I into z transform of sin n theta. So it becomes same this divided by this and this divided by this. So I into, yeah, z is common is there, I into z into sin theta divided by z square minus 2z cos theta plus I sin theta. Now equating real and imaginary part. So real part, what is that? Z transform of cos n theta is equal to this one, that is z into z minus cos theta divided by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1. And imaginary part, this is I there, z transform of sin n theta is equals to this one, z sin theta divided by z square minus 2z cos theta plus 1. If you learn this properly, then it will be very easy. I hope you understood this problem.